Hi, I'm Matt Robertson from Attest Partners, and this is the second in a series of videos in relation to embracing advanced predictions in Oracle EPM. So today we're going to look at a completely different data set, one that I'm very familiar with in the ESG application that Oracle released to all customers around 18 months ago. So the data set that's already there has a whole host of actual years across various units, across various other dimensionality. We're going to use that data set. Again, that's what advanced predictions is all about, is utilizing the data that you have available to you and using advanced predictions to get that extra analysis out based on the data that you already have. You may be aware that the ESG application already came with Insight switched on, so that gave you full visibility to any anomalies within the data in your data. Also switched on was the auto forecast, so that was kicking out 3 different versions of data. We're going to utilize that in our analysis as well. So the data set that I worked from was the reporting data set, so that final data set that is used across all the different frameworks for reporting for ESG. As you can see from the chart here, I've got various units of measure that are against scope 1 that then facilitate the output of CO2. And for scope 2, it's kilowatt hours. For scope 3, I've got various units as well. So how I configured the advanced predictions was using the source units as drivers and using the kilogram CO2 unit measure as the output. And I did that across all scopes 1, 2, and 3. By switching on advanced predictions, what that then gave me was a whole host of outputs that are ready for analysis. As you can see across all my scopes, I've got my actuals, I've got my plan that's already been preset, I've got my my auto forecast, the univariant predictions that are already set up. But then what I've added is the various algorithms that can be added through the advanced predictions to give me those various outputs for additional analysis. I can have a look behind the scenes and see that data itself and get into the explain predictability. And that's given me a bit more information with regards to how my data has been predicted out. So I hope you can see how very quickly we can use an existing data set within Oracle EPM, no matter what data set it is, and utilize that advanced predictions to give you that extra analysis, increasing the benefit of your Oracle system. If you want to know more and would like to see it switched on in your own environment, feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye.